Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to adjust volume with a button on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, if the physical volume buttons on your device are damaged or not functioning properly, knowing alternative methods to adjust the volume ensures you can still control the audio levels. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Unlock your device and look at the Settings app. It usually has a gear icon. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. So, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the System option and tap on it to proceed. After that, within the System menu, locate and tap on Accessibility. And once you are in the Accessibility settings, look for this menu and tap on it. Next, you may find a toggle switch to activate it. Then toggle the switch to turn on the feature. And after enabling the feature, you may be prompted to allow certain permissions. Tap on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. And once the feature is activated, a button or control interface should appear on your screen. Tap on it to access the volume control. And you can now adjust the volume on your device using this on-screen control interface, eliminating the need to press the physical volume buttons. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to adjust volume with a button on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.